Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I'm a classically trained pastry chef, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make almond flour cookies. These cookies have a slightly nutty flavor with a delicate texture that melts in your mouth. They are made with finely ground almonds and are naturally gluten-free. Additionally, the recipe does not use any processed sugars. It's a very simple recipe to make, so let's get started. Start with 2 cups of finely ground almond flour, and to this add 1/2 teaspoon baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Stir these together until well combined. To this add 1/4 cup of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just stir this together. Once you have no dry pieces of the almond flour remaining, put it into the refrigerator for 1/2 hour. After half an hour in the fridge, scoop approximately 1.5 tablespoons of cookie dough, roll it into a ball, and lightly flatten it with your palms. Place on a baking pan, which has been lined with either parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. And once you have all the cookies on the tray, bake for about 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The edges will just be slightly browned. After the cookies have cooled, melt 1/2 cup of chocolate chips and dip half of each cookie into the chips. Shake off the extra and lay it down on a sheet pan. Then sprinkle with pieces of chopped almonds. And set these aside for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the chocolate has set up. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.